Hi, this is Callie, and this is Gillette.
And what are you doing for us today, Cal?
Makeup.
She's gonna do my makeup. All right, enjoy.
Welcome to my makeup tutorial.
What are we starting with, Cal? Do you want to start with the eyes or the lips or the face?
Eyes.
Eyes. Okay, what do we need for eyes?
This?
Sure. What color are you gonna do?
Don't know yet.
Cool. Oh, we're doing the other one. Okay.
Okay.
Done? Now what?
This.
That one?
I don't know what this one's for.
You don't know what it's for? What do you think it's for?
Eyebrows?
Eyebrows. Okay. Oh, highlighter for the face. Okay.
There we go. Mascara.
Mascara. Don't poke my eyes out. Open or closed?
Open. Got on your face.
You got it on my face? Okay, well my eyebrows are looking great.
Now, this breaks.
Oops.
More.
More? Right there. She wants more of the blush.
Pink, pink. This is eyeliner.
Is it eyeliner? Oh, eyebrows. Pink eyebrows. Oh. Looks like you got some of the other eyeliner on it.
I don't want that black stuff on it.
Okay.
On your eyes.
On my eyes. Oh, so good. All right, now what? A little sparkle, huh?
Got some of this on now.
Okay.
Like forehead.
Oh, for the forehead. So smart. Never thought to use a fan brush on my forehead before.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah? What's that for? Oh, eyebrows? Red eyebrows? Does that look good?
Yeah.
Yeah? I would have never thought to put red on my eyebrows like that. That looks good.
Closed. This. Black.
Black. What are we using black for? Oh.
Oh gosh, that doesn't look cute.
It doesn't look cute. I don't think it's coming off.
Yes, it is.
It is coming off? Okay. Yeah. Just blend it out. Things took a weird turn. Oh, okay. That's aggressive. Cool.
Double.
Oh, you're just trying to cover it up now? I don't think it's gonna cover. Oh, sparkles. Oh, still. Could always go to a festival, you know.
Sparkle.
Do you feel like this is some of your best work?
Yeah.
Do you know what that's called that you're using?
No. Sponge.
A sponge. Okay.
Messed up on that part, so I wipe all of your makeup off.
Oh.
Can't reach it, so just gonna grab it and do it. And then do it. And put it back. And do this way. This, so you can see I got this and this brush sponge. I think I got a paper towel for it, so I can wipe off and sweat. Sorry, they have dogs. It's not what they have. Silver.
That's gold. Not silver.
Good, good.
Gold. Cool.
It's different colors.
It is different colors. You're so artistic.
Gold,
Gold.
silver, gold.
Gold. Good answer.
Okay. So now I'm gonna do some lipstick.
Oh,
So
lipstick.
you want this color?
What color is that?
Orange.
Orange.
Or do you want brown?
Brown.
Red. What color? Red looks cute.
Red looks cute. I like it. Does that look good?
Okay, now look at it.
Oh, I feel so glamorous.
Okay, so you go up again.
Go up again.
So you want that one, or there's another one? Just depends, but that was wet, so can you wipe it off?
Why are you wiping it off? She's over there. Are you not happy with the red?
No, it looks weird on you.
It looks weird on me.
It's so light. It's light.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try
Okay.
on the screen. Oh God, see, look at it.
Is it good? Oh, if I haven't been prettier than now.
It's too light.
It's too light? Oh God, what? Oh.
Dark.
You're real close to my mouth there.
No, that one looks too dark, too dark.
You pick.
White. Need it more wet. Okay. That's too dark. I can tell it's gonna look not pretty. I guess the red's cute. I only, if you like the red or the orange, those are the two colors I will do. I bet the orange would look cuter. So I'm just gonna go for the orange. Okay.
Callie, this is why people take so long when they get ready. It's because they can't decide which lipstick is the best color.
That's why I'm taking a long time, is I can't decide what color.
Again?
No,
Okay.
messed
Oh, just cleaning it up?
up. Messed up. Missed a little spot.
Missed a little spot. Got it. Good?
You like that one or the red?
Ooh, you know, it's really hard to choose. I think the orange is working.
Okay, so here's this that I'm gonna go for forehead. That you see, there was a little red spot from the eyeliner from right here from me doing it. So you see, I got some of this here.
Is that eyeliner?
No.
No?
Yeah, make your scalp. So now I'm gonna fix it because that part it was weird. Turn that other side. There we go.
You like that better?
So you look like you got your eyebrows done.
Looks like I got my eyebrows done.
It's just your sparkles, but that.
Do you think that looks good? Yeah? What do you call this?
Sparkle.
Sparkle?
Thank you for watching the video and hope you enjoy the video.
I'll be putting out new videos every week. If there's anything you'd like to see, please mention it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
This is what we're debating on where that goes.
Mascara down, mascara down.
Let me grab it.
It's on the floor. Sorry, guys. What's this for? Some stuff that I wanted to do.
So you're painting the spoolie with the other mascara. Then dipping it back in the container. Interesting. Why not use this one?
Because
that one's better?
yep, open. So if you guys ever want to do that, you could. So you see that you got this mascara. If you have mascara, you have mascara. And if you have one of these, you grab this one and put the brush on this one. That's what you could do. That's what my mind made up.